Hello, and welcome to the HBM Test and Measurement FAQ video series. I'm Krista Tweed, an Applications Engineer with HBM, and in this video I'm going to provide an overview of the amplifier modes in the Gen series hardware. Many of the Gen series amplifiers can support multiple types of inputs. The amplifier mode setting for a channel determines what type of conditioning is done on the signal. To say it another way, the amplifier mode determines what type of input is compatible with that channel. The amplifier mode setting is found in the settings sheet in Perception by going to the Analog Channel page. Click in the amplifier mode column and a drop-down list will appear with the options available for that channel. If the amplifier mode column displays the word BASIC in grayed out text, that channel only operates in voltage mode. The grayed out text tells you the setting is not adjustable. Basic amplifier mode is a voltage input. Many of the options, such as Thermocouple, are self-explanatory. The basic sensor mode is used for sensors that require voltage or current excitation and don't fit into one of the other categories. The bridge mode is used for strain gauge sensors, quarter bridge, half bridge, or full bridge, and other bridge-type transducers, a load cell or force transducer, for example. IEPE mode is used for sensors that require IEPE excitation, sometimes also referred to as ICP sensors. Based on the amplifier mode settings for each channel on the Analog Channel page of the settings sheet, each channel is placed into one of the input categories. You can see in my example that I have channels running with amplifier modes of basic, basic sensor, bridge, IEPE, and thermocouple. When I look at the input list, which is also displayed, those channel types are in black, showing they are active. The input types that are not currently in use are grayed out, for example, charge and current loop. Each of the different input types requires slightly different settings. Therefore, each type has its own page in the settings sheet. Also note that each channel in the recorder can operate in a different amplifier mode. This is the basic sensor page of the settings sheet. The columns enclosed by the red box are unique to this page. When a channel is operating in basic sensor mode, it can provide voltage or current excitation to a sensor. You can see that the excitation is turned on for this channel and that the excitation type is voltage. The excitation type is grayed out because this channel is on a GN840B universal module, which only offers voltage excitation in this particular mode. Here's another example of a particular input page, the thermocouple. Once the channel is in thermocouple mode, the user selects the thermocouple type, the scale, meaning Celsius or Fahrenheit or Kelvin, and the temperature range. Because the setup is designed for a specific sensor type, it is very straightforward. Another way to set the amplifier mode for a channel is to apply a sensor from the sensor database to the channel. There are several ways to do that. As shown here, you can click in the Sensor column in the Analog Channel page of the settings sheet to make a selection from the drop-down list. All settings for that sensor will be applied to the channel, including the amplifier mode. The Sensor column is also available on each of the input pages in the settings sheet. In this example, I've gone to the Thermocouple page. The amplifier mode has already been set, so clicking in the Sensor column only shows items in the drop-down list that are thermocouple sensors. In summary, the amplifier mode of a Gen series channel determines what type of input signal can be measured. Some Gen series modules support a wide range of sensor types, and others can only accept one or two. The mode can be set on a per-channel basis. There are separate pages in the settings sheet for each input type, which helps to simplify the channel setup for the user. The sensor database feature of Perception can be used to automatically configure a channel to work with a specific sensor. Thanks for watching. If you have questions on perception or any other HBM product, please feel free to contact technical support via phone, email, or the HBM website.